Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Blippo. This is a Suprise Kawaii bag. And as always, they're doing a giveaway, so make sure you check out the link below if you want to be entered to win one of these. So excited. They always come with such cute little items. So let me cut this off so I can open it and we'll see what's inside. I did one of these before, not that long ago. And they always do giveaways, which is really awesome. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this jewelry seal. Dimensional stickers. So you can put them on all sorts of stuff. Very cool. Also have, I think this is a little mirror. Yep. Don't want to blind you, but there is a mirror on that side. So it just folds in half. Cute. Aww, just a little wristlet. Let's see. There's a little handle on it. Little girl with a teddy bear. Yeah, so there's a little stuffing in there. That's fun. Cute. Oh, I'm gonna have to put that on Raylan. It's a little headband, has a little crown on it. Adorable. A little panda face mask. Oh my, a jump rope. I loved jump rope when I was younger. This one has all these cool little colors. I wonder if it does anything. Maybe it lights up? I don't know. Rope skipping. Either way, it's very colorful. Very pretty. Then we have some little tiny Hello Kitty scissors. Oh my gosh, I love that. That's adorable. We got one of these, I think, in the last box too. It's a little hair bow with some little puff balls in it. And this one has a couple little clips and hair ties. Next up we have, oh, I remember this. I got one of these before as well. It's like a fan that flips open. It has like grape soda on it, so you can fan yourself. Pretty cute. Jackson actually kept that and used it during the summer. Ooh, this looks fun. This looks like it's a little like pin and little notepad with some stickers and some string. Case ball pen memo. That's super fun. Also have, it's a little cupcake fan and you crank it yourself. Now that's a good idea. That's really cool. Also have little bear keychain. Hot pink nail polish, which is my favorite color of nail polish. My toes are always this color all year round. And the last thing in here is a little pen. It looks like a little drink. Very nice. Then of course you get this little drawstring bag. Kind of looks like a cupcake. Super cute. So if you guys are interested, I'll put all their information below, and of course I'll have the giveaway link. So I will contact the winner once the company picks them, and very cool. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.